Okay, so where are we? No, not literally.
Oh.
You mean like, where are we? As in, we're at a campsite.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, we're at a campsite.
We're in Suffolk, I know
we're in
that.
Suffolk.
Suffolk.
And it's been a lovely sunny evening. We're drinking a nice glass of Italian Prosecco.
Well, the cheapest one out. Oh, hang on.
It says...
Oh, sorry, it's my hands over there. It's the cheapest one out of Tesco's, but it's fine.
But it's Italian, so we thought we'd have some Italian food tonight. We've been out all day, but we just want some snacky but really nice. So we're going to do some bruschetta.
Yeah, do we want to tell them where we've been?
We've been to a 6-year-old child's birthday party in a ballpark.
Yeah, Nanny's had her legs akimbo in the ballpark all afternoon. It's been quite funny, actually. I've had a great day.
So, now there you go, Nanny.
Anyway.
Nanny Ting Tenter. So, what we're going to do, look, I'm going to just make them bruschetta. It's easy for you to say.
Yep.
Prosecco mix. And all it is, right?
Bruschetta, not Prosecco.
That's it. That's the one. So, I've got some red onion. I've got some nice sweet red cherry tomatoes. And I've got some fresh basil.
Yummy.
That's the secret.
Oh, but that's that as well. Tell them where we got that from.
We bought this in Crete last year.
Do you remember we did a review, didn't we, of the Creta Maris Hotel?
That's right, yeah. And we got this at a little market they had there one night. And it's extra virgin olive oil made from olives.
Yeah, but it is lovely. No.
But it's got a bit of a peppery taste to it, so that's really nice.
And I've also, if I remember rightly,
Is this going to take long?
No.
Okay.
Stop it.
Okay.
No, but I've actually remembered. I think I might have remembered who the actual person was, so I might actually tag them in one of your posts.
Okay, yes, because I think we picked up a business card for
yes,
them,
we
didn't
did.
we?
So if I can find it, I'll put it in there. So
Good,
yeah, cool. Just to let you know, Mr. Man, that we're using it in the UK.
Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some red
I haven't
onion.
eaten these olives yet, though. They're still in the cupboard.
And we've got some olive, like a chutney thing as well, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got a chutney thing, and we also had sort of like a liqueur, wasn't it, that you put in the Christmas cake? Oh my God, that was gorgeous.
Yes, a spiced liqueur.
Oh, that was wonderful.
Yes, that's right, yep.
Perhaps we ought to do a whole vlog on that, really, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It was wonderful. Anyway.
Okay, right, we digress.
We digress, yes.
So I'm going to take some onion, and I'm going to chop this onion quite finely.
Does it have to be red onion?
It adds to the colour experience.
It does, actually, yeah.
If you put white onion, it just, I don't know.
Do they say, though, that sort of normal onions are too oniony? Does that make sense? But this one's sort of like a nicer...
No, it definitely smells like an onion.
Yeah, I know, but this tastes nicer, doesn't it?
Does it?
I think so.
Sweeter, I think, is the word, possibly. Mind you, some of these, you can get some really big Spanish onions in the UK, and they are quite sweet. They really are. Okay.
I just know that whenever I cut an onion, usually I'm in tears, but this doesn't actually hit me that much.
I know, because you hate cooking, don't you? Boom, boom. Never mind. Okay.
Why do I like what's cooked?
Yeah, no, exactly. Now I'm going to do a lot of this because...
I like it.
You like bruschetta, don't you?
I love it.
And also, it's one of those things where you can sort of munch away at it. Do
you remember that New Year's Eve when our friends had made bruschetta and I just ate the whole pot, didn't I?
In fact, it was these guys that taught us how to make this and how to put the garlic on the bread and how to use the oil. So we'll show you that. And this is and he, I think, was a Michelin star chef, wasn't he? Or is. And he did a lot of Italian cooking. So there you go. Shouldn't be running my finger down a sharp knife like that.
Especially after I saw you sharpen it.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm just going to pop that onion into that pot there. And that already smells. What I like about this as well, it has that fresh sort of Italian, sort of smelly, Mediterranean sort of loveliness. I'm going to put some basil in there next. I'm just going to take the tops out of those basils, or those stems, because you get all those little tiny leaves on them, and that's all leaves. So I'm just going to roll that into a ball, just chop away, really.
Oh God, that smells gorgeous. I love basil.
Now, whilst we don't want it to be little tiny bits, we want them to be still big enough so you can get a good flavour, sort of mouthful of the basil. Don't need it finely chopped, just... I don't get one then.
What? Oh, so you're busy, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm sitting there doing busy all the cooking.
There you go.
So there you go. Are we back on the food
sorry,
again?
yeah, sorry.
Yeah, there you go.
Sorry, yeah.
So we've got some basil in there. We've got that red onion in there. Okay. Now let's put some cherry tomatoes. Just going to take these and cut them into 6. I know it sounds pretty precise, but you don't want the tomato pieces too big.
No.
And you don't want them too small. So just into 6. Now I am not a tomato fan.
I love tomatoes.
I don't eat raw tomatoes like I don't eat fish. Anybody watch the sea bass video? But this to me is not, because it's mixed up with that onion and the basil, and you got the olive oil in there as well. It's just a sort of, I don't know, it's the flavours. And it really, to me, doesn't make me think that I'm eating raw tomatoes. And these are really sweet, these raw tomatoes, which also helps. So let's just carry on. And you can see this is all live, so we're not editing here, so it doesn't take an age to really put this together. We will stop and pause it in a minute, just so we can then crank up the barbecue and get it ready.
It's quite therapeutic, actually, watching you chop.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Finished?
Yeah.
So,
Well, you can do what you want as long as I still have access to a cup. Or, sorry, you know,
so I'm just going to mix
one of these
all
things.
that
This thing,
together.
yeah. Oh, sorry. Yes.
Pay attention.
I'm trying.
So we've got onion in there, we've got basil.
Do you know what I like about it too? It just looks pretty.
It does, yeah. I totally agree with it. And the smell, honestly, if you could just
I can.
pick up some of that smell.
I can.
And I'm going to take some of this olive oil.
What, in there already?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you drizzle a little of that in there as well.
What if everybody can't get to Greece for olive oil?
Well, you can buy virgin olive oil in any of the supermarkets.
So that's not special then?
No, of course it's not.
Well,
no.
it is special for us. 'cause,
Yeah. We know where we bought it, yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. And we'll just leave that. Now, some people might want to put some salt in there, but to be quite honest,
I bought this the same time, look. My little tree.
yeah, back
I've
to
lost
the
three
video.
of the little crystals in it, but never mind. Never mind. Anyway, carry on. Yeah.
Are we there now, Mrs.
Yep.
T?
Yep,
Okay.
yep, yep.
So I was just
It's
saying,
the same
some
market.
people might want to put some salt in this, but I think just leave that with it, and then we'll see how we get on. So that's the topping that's going on to this bread. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle some olive oil over this bread. We're going to toast it on the Cadac Safari Chef. And then once it's toasted, we've got some garlic here.
How many of them are you breaking up?
I'm try and get the biggest clove of garlic possible.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, do you remember?
Yeah, I vaguely remember, yeah. Yeah.
Now you take that clove of garlic. All right. Peel it. Get the casing of
It's
it.
funny because I thought you actually chopped it up and put it in that, but you
No.
don't, do you? No.
Stick it on a fork. And the secret is, when this bread is toasted with the olive oil, you then rub that garlic over that toasted bread. Then you top it with that red onion and basil and tomato topping.
That makes sense.
And that's it. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave that as it is now. We're then going to strike up the Cadac,
Clear up that mess.
clear up this mess, and we'll come back to you shortly.
Okay.
So here we are. We've got the Cadac on, nice and hot, which is quite pleasant because it's a bit of a chilly evening.
It's been a lovely day. It's been like
Lovely.
20 degrees and there's been no cloud
Yeah,
in the
but
sky.
that's April for you, wasn't it? It does
Yeah,
get a
but
bit
as
chilly.
soon as the sun goes down, it gets
So
quite
that's
chilly.
really nice. So what we're going to do, put some of this bread on here and start to toast it. And what we need to do, it's quite simple. Take your slice of bread, just drizzle.
Could you use
some olive
like
oil on
a brush or something if you
You
wanted
could
to?
do, yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, it's all about
I
saving all the
suppose.
washing up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Drizzle that on there. Don't forget all this on there in one go.
Oh well, just do 4 and we can have another couple afterwards. Not a problem.
I've got that on there.
Just do 4. We'll be fine. That's it. Just do 4.
Sure.
Yeah.
I might be able to get one more on there.
Oh.
5.
Okay.
There we go. And all we're trying to do is just gently and lightly toast that. That one was the first one on. You can see how quickly it works. So it's just a case of keeping that moving.
So when
on
do you
there.
put that garlicky thing on then?
Once it's toasted.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you said just go. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, just keep that moving. And then hopefully you can start to see. Yeah,
Oh,
see,
yeah,
it doesn't take long.
Yeah, it doesn't it?
And what you see, that olive oil, you can see how it starts to seep into
Into the bread.
to the bread.
How high have you got this Cadac?
Yeah, this is quite high at the moment
Is that
because it's smoking and it's frightening you.
well, it's frightening me.
See, frightening.
It just worries me that it's going to get it burned, and I don't want it burnt.
Because that's the whole idea of us moving
It
it
smells
around.
lovely.
And we need to make sure that's really nice and toasty. And then while that's cooking on there, a little bit more there, and start this side.
Okay.
Just run that over there.
So it doesn't have to be even on the bread then?
No, because it soaks into it.
Okay, all right. Yeah. That can's like the old stuff that you used to put lighter fuel in, isn't it?
I hope it's olive oil, not lighter fuel. Okay,
Oh, dear.
let's just take that. Top that over.
Oh, look at that.
Yep. See where we're going now.
Oh, yeah, that looks really lovely.
Yeah, good. Get some of that bread. And we're cooking nicely. So this is bruschetta
Excuse me.
tin tenter style. You can see that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. In fact, it will be easier to do it. So stay there.
I'm
Focus
staying.
on that.
I'm staying. I'm focusing on that. Yeah, absolutely. I'm not going anywhere else with my focus.
So here we go. We've got the garlic clove on there. Nice, big, chunky, fresh garlic clove. And just rub that on there. That's all you need to do. Rub that onto that toast. And you can see that's starting to wear down.
Hang on, I can't see anything. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's starting
Okay.
to wear down. So it's leaving some of that garlic behind.
Oh, right, so you don't actually have to cut it off and stick it on
No,
there.
all you do is just
Oh, God, that smells
rub
gorgeous.
that on. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, I can really smell
Yeah.
it. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
good.
So do we do that just on one side, or do you do it on both
No, I
sides?
should do it on both sides.
Okay.
I'm just going to check. We're nearly down the other side.
That one doesn't seem to have a lot of brownness on it, that one.
Which one?
That one.
That one there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll move it in a bit. There you go.
Yeah. Seems to be left out a bit.
Yeah.
Put it in the middle.
Cool.
Yeah. Swap that one with that one.
Oh, just leave me alone.
No, swap that one
It's
with that
all
one.
to do about getting it over the right holes.
Yeah, but stick that one over that one. It's a lot better.
No, that's fine.
Okay, whatever.
So, there we go. We'll come back to you in a couple of minutes once we give it another turn
No,
over.
I wouldn't do that because it's burning already.
That's not burning. Look,
It is.
look, tell me that is not burning. That's
It's
burning. Okay, right. Mrs. T knows best.
That one needs swapping over with the middle one. That's
It's
it.
fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. Look,
Yeah.
put that back on over there.
Yeah, and that one, yeah.
That back on over there.
Stick your garlic and turn that round.
No, it's fine. Just shut up, please.
You were going to say the nasty word, weren't you? You were going to say shut the, weren't you?
No, I
Yeah,
wasn't.
yes, you were. I could feel it. I could feel it coming.
Right, a little bit of garlic on there again. All you're doing is rubbing that garlic clove over that toast.
I love garlic.
Nothing more. Right.
Mm.
There we go. And now what I'm quickly going to do...
There's not a lot left of that, actually.
No, I'm going to take that last slice there.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And I'm going to quickly swap that for one of those. Ah, that's hot.
Ouch.
And we're going to take those off. See, toast now. But it's not just any toast. It's got like a garlic, olive oil.
It does smell lovely, actually.
Loveliness to it. Okay, back over here.
All right, okay, hang on, bear with me. Yep,
Okay, so then couple of pieces of bread. Load that bread with that tomatoes and that olive oil and that red onion and that basil. Look at that. And that, my friends, is one of Tin Tenter's little quick meals, snacks, lunches. It's a Tin Tenter Bruschetta.
It's lovely.
There you go. Load that and then cut them in half. You can hear that bread crunch. And there you have some bruschetta, fresh and ready to eat.
Oh, that's lovely.
That's it. There's nothing more to do. I hope that has been of some help. I hope it gives you another little idea to do on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. If it does, please, please, please give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate it, wouldn't we?
Absolutely.
And don't forget, hit that red
I like what you did
button,
there.
because the more you hit that red button, the more of these little things we can bring to you. Any comments, Mrs. T?
No, just hurry up because I need to eat it now.
Okay. Listen, everybody, thank you very, very much for watching. We appreciate your support. Have a great day and bye for now.
Bye. I'll just start eating this.
Yeah, please, dig in.